Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to add people to your Instagram close friends list with the latest update. This feature is perfect for sharing stories with a select group of people, keeping your posts more personal and private. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for the menu icon, those three horizontal lines, located at the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on it to open the menu options. From the menu, select Close Friends. This will take you to the list where you can manage who's on your close friends list. To add new people, use the search bar at the top. Type in the names or usernames of the friends you want to include. Instagram will show you matching profiles as you type. When you find someone you want to add, simply tap the checkbox next to their name. You can select as many people as you like this way. Once you've picked everyone you want on your close friends list, tap Done to save your changes. That's it. Your close friends list is now updated, and when you share a story with this list, only those selected people will see it. Remember, you can update this list anytime by repeating these steps. It's a great way to control who sees your more personal moments without sharing them with your entire follower base. Thanks for watching! Now you know exactly how to add people to your Instagram close friends list quickly and easily. Happy sharing!